Product Review Number 1. Best Overall, Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Cleaner. Our top pick, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus offers all the functionality and convenience you'd expect from a robotic pool cleaner at a mid-tier price point. This robotic cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it cleans your pool end-to-end in around 2 hours. It requires no pumps or hoses, and it features dual scrubbing brushes to help remove dirt, algae, and other debris. This robot uses smart navigation to clean the floors and walls of your swimming pool, and its tangle-free cable ensures that it won't get stuck as it works. It's easy to empty the 2 cartridge filters from the top of the machine, and it captures large and small debris. Our tester found that this pool cleaner is extremely easy to set up and start, and it picked up a noticeable amount of silt, as well as small leaves, petals, and bugs. And I don't need to run it as often as I did with my previous one to maintain that level of freshness, our tester said. Pool type, in-ground, cleaning cycle time, 2 hours, cleaning coverage, floor, walls, brush type, dual scrubbing, filter type, twin cartridge, smart capabilities, no. Product Review Number 2. Best Budget, Aper Seagull 1000 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. What we like: lightweight and compact. Cordless design. Automatically stops near a pool wall. Cleaning angles can be adjusted to fit pool shape. What we don't like: doesn't clean corners and asymmetrical pools as well. Some debris falls out when removing cleaner. Many robotic pool cleaners are quite expensive, some even cost over $1,000. But if you don't want to spend that much, consider the Aper Seagull 1000 Pool Cleaner. Unlike most robotic cleaners, which get power via a cord, this compact robotic cleaner runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 90 minutes of runtime per charge. All you have to do is drop the robot into your above or in-ground pool, and it navigates from wall to wall, sucking up dirt, sand, debris, and more. However, she noted that it likely would perform better in a pool with a shallower deep end, as the product is designed to climb inclines up to 15 degrees. Pool type, in-ground or above ground. Product Review Number 3. Best Splurge, Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi Operated Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you have a large pool or just want a pool cleaner with all the bells and whistles, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi Operated Pool Cleaner is a worthwhile investment. This high-end pool cleaner is suitable for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it needs about 1.5 to 3.5 hours to complete a cleaning cycle, depending on your selection. Its 2-filter system captures all manner of debris and keeps it out of the water. Our tester said they enjoyed using this robot's corresponding app to keep up with its cleaning progress and see its location in their pool. Our tester tried this robot's pre-programmed standard and enhanced cleaning times and noted that the cleaner was able to get her pool about 95% and 99% clean, respectively. For the remaining debris, she enjoyed using the remote steering to direct the robot to the small spots it missed throughout the pool. Brush type, triple scrubbing, filter type, extra large twin cartridges, smart capabilities, yes. Product Review Number 4. Best for in-ground pools, Polaris P825 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris P825 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner has unique triangular trends that clean just about every surface in your in-ground pool. This cleaning robot tackles stairs, coves, and even benches with ease. It even scrubs down the waterline. Designed for in-ground pools up to 40 feet, it uses Polaris cyclonic vacuum technology to capture debris without losing suction power. Through the transparent lid on the Polaris P825, you can see into the debris canister, so you know when it needs emptying, and the push-and-go emptying system saves you from having to touch the filter contents. The oversized intake area easily sucks up large leaves and their remnants, and the robot comes with its own caddy for convenient storage. The only major downside of this model is that the power cable easily gets twisted, inhibiting the unit's cleaning abilities. Pool type, in-ground, cleaning cycle time, 1.5 hours, cleaning coverage, floor, walls, stairs, coves, waterline, brush type, dual pleated, filter type, not listed, smart capabilities, no. Product Review Number 5. Best for leaves, Dolphin Robotic Pool Cleaner. Not all robotic pool cleaners suck up leaves well, but the Dolphin Triton PS's top-loading filter basket is spacious enough to capture even the largest debris without clogging. It manages to trap fine dirt and sand particles, preventing them from escaping back into the water. This robotic cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, And it can have your pool sparkly clean in as little as 2 hours. Thanks to its powerful treads and high-speed pleated brush, this robot can scrub the floor, walls, and even the waterline, removing algae and grime. Its weekly scheduler includes 3 frequency options, and the tangle-free cable prevents the power cord from getting twisted while it works. Price at time of publish, $999. Tool type, in-ground, cleaning cycle time, 2 hours, cleaning coverage, floor, walls, waterline, brush type, high-speed pleated, filter type, extra-large fine filter basket, smart capabilities, no. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.